When it comes to understanding TypeScript generics, the choice of AI assistant can make a real difference. In a head-to-head test, both Claude and ChatGPT can explain what generics are, but the quality of the explanation varies. Claude tends to lead with a concise, real-world analogy, like comparing generics to function parameters for types, before diving into code examples. ChatGPT often starts with a broader, more formal definition, then moves to examples. For a practical use case like building a generic identity function, Claude usually provides a ready-to-run snippet with a clear explanation of each part, while ChatGPT may include extra commentary on edge cases. Both models can generate correct code, but Claude's explanations often feel more tailored to a developer who wants to apply the concept immediately. The key takeaway: for learning TypeScript generics, Claude offers a more direct, example-driven path, while ChatGPT provides a more thorough, context-rich overview. Your choice depends on whether you prefer brevity with clarity or depth with